Next, when I came to court on the 15th, Stokes still didn't file the recusal and asked the court for a 1368 comp hearing. After all the attorneys malpracticed, Judge Sanderson suspended the case and set a comp hearing with Herman Seymour on 12/2/2011, with the result hearing set for 12/30/2011. Brief note, I had witnesses set up to meet with Attorney Sok on the 17th, so I called Sok and told him to email me so we could meet with the witnesses. Plus, I told Sok I needed a ride to the comp hearing. Sok would not email me. He would not email me. He missed the witness appointment plus the ride to the comp hearing on 12/2/2011, with the results hearing set for 12/30/2011. At the hearing on the 30th, I requested a new Marcine hearing. Judge Sanderson sent the Marcine hearing to Judge Penna, courtroom 72. When I explained to Judge Penna how Attorney Sok had missed my witness interview on the 17th of November and my ride to the comp hearing on the 2nd of December, Sok lied and told the judge he didn't have my phone number when we were contacting each other by email. Brief note, all I wanted then was to get away from Attorney Sok. Judge Penna stated, with Sok being a defendant in the federal civil complaint, he could conflict out, and if I wanted, I could be my own attorney. So I asked Judge Sanderson, having said that, he told me to ask Judge Sanderson. Having said that, when I went to court, Sok told Judge Sanderson I requested to be my own attorney, and she gave me a freedom motion papers to fill out and ordered me to return on the 5th of January, 2012. When I returned to court on the 5th and gave Sanderson the motion papers filled out, she changed her mind and reset the comp hearing. Nevertheless, on the day of the appointment, I was sick and under doctor's care. I called Herman Seymour and asked him if I could reschedule. Mr. Seymour's secretary's name was Barbara. She told me only Judge Sanderson could reschedule and said she would give the message to Mr. Seymour. When I returned to court, Mr. Seymour had sent the court a slanderous letter stating that he couldn't contact me. There was when there was no need to contact me. Somehow he got the message mixed up with with Barbara, his secretary. If this letter that was sent to the courts can be retained, Mr. Seymour should be liable for reckless negligence as well as criminal negligence. Nevertheless, when I got to court, Judge Sanderson read the slanderous letter and locked me up in the county jail. Before I left the court, I asked for a new attorney and asked the judge because I showed her the doctor slip and my medical prescriptions, but Judge Sanderson thought I was faking when I wasn't. I was really hurt and could barely walk. Nevertheless, before I went to jail, she ordered me back for a new Marcine hearing on 3/19/2012. Due to jail overcrowding, I was released the same day. When I returned to court on 3/19/2012, Attorney Sok was not present and had a stand-in to reschedule the Marcine hearing for the 22nd. Judge Sanderson left me free and told me to come back to court on the 22nd. When I returned to court on the 22nd, I had already rescheduled the 1368 comp hearing with Seymour and set it for the 23rd at 10 p.m. As to the comp hearing with Mr. Seymour, he came to the jail on the 21st and asked in the Part 8